CLA, it's your big performance today.
Do I really have to go out there in front of all these people?
Of course, the stage is yours.
Why? Because it's the Consumer Electronics Show.
So, what's the big deal?
It's for electronics. Do they really expect someone like me? Look, you're the future. That's why you feel at home at CES. I'm just an ordinary car.
You're a Mercedes. There's no such thing as an ordinary Mercedes. We're all special.
Do you really think so?
Of course. You heard what Ola just said. You're digital, you're cutting edge, and you're even a wearable. You're the most bling-bling gadget at CES. And you have the looks to match.
Maybe you're right.
Well then, clear a path. Here is the knight in his shining armor. Where's my fair lady so I can escort her on stage?
Okay, maybe 50% of that. Go for it.